Hi everyone, this is Cyrus for iPhones.com and iPhoneAppsFinder.com. Today I'm showing you Phone Drive by the guys at 83 Technology. As the name suggests, this application is about using your device as a flash drive. So it's not that complicated, but you can add files to your iPad or iPhone easily from iTunes, or you can download it from the web. There are multiple ways to do it. This just makes it easier to manage your files. It's a file manager of sorts, and also you can treat it like a flash drive. You don't really have to jump through hoops to get things done. So very simple. I can add a text file, a new folder if I want. Let's call that text files. I mean, it could be anything. I can just think of text files right now. You can add files. As you saw, you can have your photos and videos, and you can also record audio. So what happens here is I can testing. There you go. So you have that option available as well. And you have sample files you can go and play around with to see how this application works. So it supports cloud storage. It is a document reader, as you saw. You can open photos. You can treat it like a flash drive. So if you have a flash drive and you have videos on it, you have photos on it, very simple. You can also share files with others via Bluetooth and also with your computer. So you can change the views here. You have a browser. I can close the browser. Let me actually show you this. I can keep track of my downloads. I can sort my items. And the last button obviously is for syncing. And once you decide how you want to do it, whether it's your iPhone to your Mac, or iPhone to your Dropbox, or iPhone to iPhone, which happens over Bluetooth, you just have to tap on it and then you get the instructions. For your Mac, for instance, you have the URL that you need to use to pull it off. So you're provided that here, as you see, the IP address and the URL, and then you use that to get this done. And you can also use it for, I don't have another device here, but let's just tap on it anyway. So you have to have your both devices on the same network. And you see, I don't have another device active, but if I had, it would show up here. So let me change the view back to something that's easier to keep up with. So you have this folders now. Let's just add a text file. I don't want to rename it. I can change the extension. I can change the name if I want to. I can delete folders if I want to. Open it if I want to. So as you can see, you have your file manager. You have the flash drive features. Just store your files and access them easily on your iPad. I'm not connected to a computer or iTunes or anything like that. So you can open your files here. You can record audio in the application. You have a browser. You can keep manage your downloads. You have the cloud option. You have import files. You can have the ability to add a password to your files. So you can do it read only if I want to. Pretty basic stuff, if you will. And it also tells you how much storage you have. So if you have storage problems, you see it there, but I don't have I have a lot of space anyway, and you can sort your documents if you have a lot of them. So very simple application as far as how it works. It does have a lot of features. So if you find yourself managing your files, you don't want to carry a different flash drive. I personally do. I have a different flash drive. It's 256-bit encrypted, so it's in one of those expensive flash drives that I use. But if you want to just store files on your iPad and you have no issues putting it there and just use a passcode maybe to just protect it, then this application helps. So it's Phone Drive by 83 Technology. If you're going to do a more complete review of this in the future, just want to touch on some features that it has. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks again for watching, guys.